And for me, he said, you will be my mouthpiece. You will speak about me. You will be my witness. You will tell people about the goodness of God. You will challenge. You will see injustice and speak out on it. You will attack racism at the root because it's not of God. He said that you will use your mouth and your voice to bring me glory. I had been so scared of the gift in the box, but when I finally opened it, I have never been more fulfilled. I have never been more excited. I have never been more happy than when I'm using the gift that he has given me to share with other people what God has done in my life, how he restored me, how he blessed me with a wife and a daughter and a family, brought me back into the church, somehow made me a pastor and planted me right back on the stage and said, my gift is without repentance.